Hello Sunshine Seekers, my name is Nikima and we are SpainHomes. Today I am in Molina De Segura, a beautiful town that is located in the region of Murcia, just 10 minutes away from Murcia capital. Today I'm going to be showing you a newly built construction project. They have currently completed selling all of the first phase and are stuck into the second phase. They are properties that are independent villas on a single story offering 3 bedrooms and 2 bathrooms. Today we're going to be showing you the smaller model, which is on a plot of 328 square metres and the house itself 122 square metres. So let's begin. Hello. So as I come in from street level through the property entrance, it brings me directly into the gardens and the plot space of the home. Here you have a paved pathway that leads directly to the front door, and as you can see, the front gardens have been landscaped in such a way that give you artificial lawn and minimal maintenance. On this side of the property you have the vehicle entry point through the electric gates here and also the parking space here that could comfortably fit 2 vehicles. Now I'm going to take you into the outdoor living areas for the home, where you can enjoy the amazing climate that you have in this region of Murcia pretty much most of the year. It takes you across this artificial relaxation zone area directly into the rear of the property where you have your garden and terraces. Here where I am stood, you find that this is your outdoor lounging and also dining terrace that is roofed for your comfort, and it overlooks the swimming pool, which is 6x3. Over in the corner you also have, for the comfort of the swimmers, your outdoor shower. And what's really nice about the actual architectural build with this project is they decided to go for the privacy element. So all of the residents, being on single story, get amazing privacy in their gardens and also get peace throughout the year. Hello. So as I come in through the front door of the property, brings me directly into the entry hall of the home, which is light, bright and inviting. As I come along the hall, you will see that the specifications are contemporary on the inside and of good sound quality. It brings you into the expanse of the open living area that the family would enjoy, which is an open living room, dining room and kitchen. The living space in this area is 39 square metres with a ceiling height of 2.7 metres. Here I am stood in the kitchen area, and as you can see, this is a large kitchen with an American style central island in the middle. Your central island is great because it gives you the modern specifications you would like to expect. On one side you have a breakfast bar set to dine 3. Within the actual island itself you have your cooking hob and all the electrical appliances are Siemens. Above you have your extractor, deep cabinetry for your storage requirements. You also have your dishwasher in this one, as well as your kitchen sink and more cupboards. On the back wall there is continuation of your cupboards which go all the way up to the ceiling. You also have an extra point here which I really do like for any appliances that you want to add to your kitchen. Then you have your oven, your microwave and a very wide, can I just say, refrigerator and freezer as a hidden built-in. Now, as we are showing you the show home today, there are a number of extras that they have decided to go for throughout, but the specifications and quality of design remain the same. Now, leading to the dining space, you have here a dining space that is set to dine 6, and then also a spacious lounge. But what I also like is that you have these patio doors that open completely and also give you full integration of the outdoor living spaces with the interior. Now, taking you from the living area, I'm now going to take you across the way. And before I do, this house also does provide underfloor heating as well as hot and cold air conditioning. Next to the kitchen is a very conveniently placed laundry room, or you could use it even as a pantry. And in there you will also find it houses the boiler. Now I'm going to take you into the primary suite. The primary suite is light and bright with a similar interior. It offers 20 square metres, and on one side you find that you have patio doors that lead to the artificially lawned gardens. You also have a wall dedicated to your fitted wardrobes, and then you also have a spacious and very light double bathroom that has there your 2 vanities, sinks, and also 2 mirrors. Coming out of the primary suite, I'm now going to take you back into the hall, and I'm going to also now show you the main bathroom. In this bathroom, they decided to go for a warmer aesthetic with a sand colour, and as you can see, it is fully equipped. Taking you back into the hall, I'm now taking you to the second bedroom. This bedroom offers 10 square metres. It faces the front of the house, and if not as used as a bedroom, it would be great as an office or a study. It has patio doors on one side and also your fitted wardrobes on the other. Taking you to the third bedroom, which is similar, you also then have your patio doors again on one side and your fitted wardrobes on the other, and again it offers 10 square metres. As you can see, the patio doors do also have your interior blinds if you're wanting to assist in blotting out the light, but then you do also have your automatic shutters. Walking around this residential area here in Molina De Segura, within the urbanisation you'll find that it borders other urbanisations, but what's really nice is you find that there are tree-lined streets with well-maintained green gardens and a very peaceful ambience to the residents that live here. This is not necessarily the best place for you to buy a home if you're thinking of coming here on holiday for a short time. But if you are actually wanting to have a permanent residence in somewhere that's established, with close proximity to everything that you need, but still really taking advantage of that peace and also that security, then this type of area really would suit you. The nitty-gritty. The property tax, or EB, is €400 per year. The community fee is €400 per year. And the refuse is €150 per year. This, as you can see, is a modern home that offers all of the comfort on one floor. What is fantastic about this home is, as you can see, it can be quite easily ready to move into. You will have to have a look at the specifications that come included with the property, as they also do have extra packages for the aesthetic that you saw with the show home today. It also offers a great price point. You saw the smaller model of the 2 models that they offer. The other model that is slightly larger is on a plot of 500 square metres, and the actual home distribution is more or less the same. What I also like about this property that's been different and distinct to some of the other properties that we've shown in Murcia is its close proximity to so many different things. The fact of the matter is that it gives you great accessibility with a fantastic transport infrastructure to Murcia capital, just being 10 kilometres away from the city centre. Within 5 minutes, you're also close to a fantastic golf course. Within this urbanisation and within the area, you also have 3 private schools. And actually on the way here, we could see that we were in close proximity to supermarkets, bars, cafes, restaurants, shops, a central commercial centre with all kinds of things to look at and to do, as well as fantastic historical sites and archaeological grounds to be able to explore. This is not only a place that combines beautifully culture and history along with rugged landscapes, but also because it lies alongside the Segura River, is surprisingly a green area as well for Murcia, with established urbanisations along the way. So, Don't forget to check out all the listing information on our website, which is SpainHomes.estate. Also, don't forget to hit like and subscribe. My name is Nakima. It was lovely to see you again, and we'll see you next time. Hasta pronto.